Today we will talk about how to stop gray and white hair naturally at home. Do you have white hair? It's a great thing to have full crop of hair, but if you have gray hair then it is quite embarrassing. White hair, which is also known as gray hair, is not considered desirable by the society. You can treat white hair by following some simple and inexpensive ways. How about trying some effective home remedies for white hair? Home remedies are excellent and do not have any side effects. You can look young, vibrant and desirable again by following some of the simple home remedies. They will not cost you a bomb and will make you feel good about yourself. Here are top 5 effective home remedies for white hair. Remedy 1. Onion paste. Onion may burn your eyes, but you can use the paste to treat white hair. All you would need to do, rub it on your scalp and let it dry some. Your gray or white hair will turn black in few days. However, use this remedy on a daily basis to get desired results. If you do it once in a week, you will see no progress. Make sure that you do it every day. You would need to peel off the onion skin and grind the onions. Apply the paste on your scalp and let it be for a while. Wash it off after 30 minutes or so. You can shampoo your hair too, because onion leaves an unpleasant smell. Remedy 2. Lemon juice and gooseberry. Gooseberry is a really famous fruit in India which treats almost every ailment in this world. If you want to fight obesity, stomach problems, skin infection, hair problems, etc., then you should definitely go for Indian gooseberry. You would need to buy powdered gooseberries for treating white hair. Mix powdered gooseberry with lemon juice and apply it on your hair. Apply it on your scalp as well. Massaging the scalp with this mixture will make your hair black in few days. Do this on a daily basis for best results. Remedy 3. Coconut oil and lemon juice. White hair is irritating and unpleasant. If you want to get rid of it and turn it into black, then massage and oil your hair with a mix of lemon juice and coconut oil. This is an effective home remedy and it works wonders. You should do this each and every day to get desired results. This will surely treat your white hair problem and will also make your hair healthy and beautiful. Remedy 4. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is healthy as well as tasty. If you want to prevent and cure white hair, then drink a glass of carrot juice on a daily basis. Your hair will not turn white and you will get rid of the problem too. It also helps in keeping your hair healthy and strong. You can make fresh carrot juice at home as well. Do not apply it on your hair because this works best when you consume it. Drinking carrot juice can be very helpful for your overall health as well. So, drink lots of carrot juice because it will not hurt you at all. Remedy 5. Sesame seeds and almond oil. Grind sesame seeds and mix it in almond oil. Apply this on your scalp for few weeks as it will help in preventing your hair from turning white. According to experts, it can also help in reversing the process. Your hair will turn black if you use this solution. This combination works really well. Make sure to grind the sesame seeds properly. After applying this combination on your hair and scalp, you should leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Wash off with plain water. Say goodbye to white hair and say a big hello to a young you. If you use these home remedies, you will surely get great results. Try them and thank us later. Stress could be another cause for getting white hair, and so do not take much of stress and live a happy life. Take care of you and your hair. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.